Hey guys, it's Mrs. Phillips. I wanted to show you how to solve for force when we're talking about Newton's second law. Okay, so that's what this video is about, and I'm going to make it super short, just going to solve for force, and I'll make two other videos, one to solve for mass and one to solve for acceleration in case you wanted to look at those as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. You're going to get a problem, right? Just a word problem, and it's going to look something like this. How much force is needed to accelerate a 66 kilogram skier at 2 meters per second squared? Okay, the first thing you need to look at is what is it asking for? What do we want to know? And it's asking us for how much force, okay, how much force is needed. And so that's what I don't know. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to identify each of these: force, mass, and acceleration. Okay, and just kind of put them down here. Force, I don't know. So that's my question mark. 66 kilograms. This right here, kilograms, tells me that it is mass. Okay? And the 2 meters per second squared, so meters per second squared, that's what it should look like. That is a unit for acceleration. So I know that this is my acceleration, okay? Now, my formula up here, force equals mass times acceleration, that's what I'm going to use to plug in these numbers. So my force, I don't know what it is, so I'm just going to keep the letter F because that's what I'm looking for. The rest of the formula then is equals mass. Okay, let me check out my M. That's 66. Okay, and then my next one is acceleration. My A is 2. Okay, so it is 66 times 2. So you're going to use a calculator. I don't know, this kind of math off of the top of my head. And so I'm going to use a calculator too, right? So 66 times 2 is equal to 132. And the unit for force, if you remember, right, is newtons. And so it's actually 132 newtons. That is my answer. Okay, it's okay to use a calculator because during the test, you're going to get a calculator. On the STAR test, you're going to get a calculator. Using a calculator is not a big deal. Okay, the big deal is knowing to identify what is mass, what is acceleration, and how to plug it into your formula. Okay, I hope this helped you figure out how to find force. And I guess that's it. I'll see you in the next video if you want to know about finding mass or acceleration. Okay, that's it. See you guys later.